Welcome to Brain Vision.
Our compass is rightwards is eastwards and upwards is northwards. We'll also use the words horizontal and vertical. Initially, we start from our initial point and go for a distance of 23 kilometers at an angle of 34 degrees south of east. Then we move a distance of 46 kilometers due north, and we need to reach a landing strip that is 32 kilometers west of our initial point. So to go from our present point to our destination, we need to move this way. The resultant vector would be the sum of these three vectors. Now we can find this vector simply using the component method. The x component of the 23 kilometer vector would be 23 cos 34, whereas the y component would be 23 sine 34. Now by plugging this into a calculator, we can see that the x component is 19.07 and the y component is 12.86 kilometers. Hence, for our resultant vector, the x component is 32 plus 19.07, which is 51.07, whereas the y component would be 46 minus 12.86, which is 34.86 kilometers. Now we can find the distance of our final vector using Pythagoras theorem. It would be square root of 51.07 square plus 34.86 square. This turns out to be 60.9 kilometers. Now we also need to find the direction in which we need to go. So if we find out this angle, which is theta, which would be the same as this angle, theta, we can see that tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side, which is 34.86 divided by 51.07. Hence, theta equal to tan inverse 34.86 divided by 51.07. By plugging this into a calculator, we can see that this is 34.32 degrees. Hence, we want to go a distance of 60.9 kilometers at an angle of 34.32 degrees, but this is west and we turn downwards, which is south, and hence this angle would be south of west.